Hi everyone. In this video, I will briefly discuss about the answers for the C quiz. Let's see the first one. Which of the following is not a keyword in C language? Answer is what? What is not a keyword? Next question. Skip the following statements and continue with the next iteration. This sentence is about the continue keyword. Continue is generally used in loops. Continue will not break the loop. See here, whenever continue is executed, the statements following the continue will not execute, and the execution continues with the next iteration. See the next question. What is the output of the below code? So in this, square of x is defined as x into x. What will be printed for square of 3 and square of 3 plus 1? See here, square of 3 is equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. So first output is 9, and square of 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. And in this, the multiplication is having higher priority when compared to the addition. So 1 into 3 will be executed first. So it becomes 3 plus 3 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So for this 7 will be printed, and the answer is 9, 7. Next question. Which of the following is a relational operator? This is a direct question. Is equal to is the right answer. What is the output of the following C code? Here we have a printf inside another printf. So first of all, inner printf will be executed. So it will print hello first. And one of the important property of a printf is it returns the number of characters that it has successfully printed. So in this case, it has successfully printed 5 characters. So in the place of this entire function, 5 will be printed. That means after hello, 5 will be printed. So the answer is this one. Next question. Which of the following is a non-linear data structure? See this figure. Linear and non-linear. Examples of non-linear data structures are trees and graphs. So the answer is tree here. Next question. Who is the father of C language? Very simple question. The answer is Dennis Ritchie. John Stroustrup is author of C++. James Gosling is author of Java, and Rossum is Python. Next question. So here, this P is a null pointer. P is a null pointer. So null pointer will have the address 0. So the answer is 0. So when you print it, it will print 0. Next question. This question is actually a GATE question. It was a 2021 GATE question. So this question is based on stack as well as queue. So we have to find out what is the value of x and what is the value of y, and we have to add both of them. So x is equal to pop here. Everybody know the meaning of pop. Deleting an element from the top of the stack. Now in this example, which element will be on the top of the stack? Obviously, the element which was recently pushed, that will be the element present on the top of the stack. So 43 was the element that was pushed recently. So x will get the value 43. And next, consider the queue. First of all, 10, 20 is added, dq. So queue property is first in, first out. So 10 will be removed, and again add 30 and remove one element. That means 20 will be removed, and that is given to y. So y will get the value 20. So the answer will be 63. So this is the answer. Next question. Which of the following is an advantage of a linked list? So the answer is all. What is the range of integer on a 16-bit computer? So on a 16-bit computer, the integer occupies 2 bytes. So here I have not specified anything here unsigned, so it becomes a signed integer. So the range will be this one. This is the answer. Next question. Which of the following loop will execute at least once without any condition checking? So the answer is do while. Which of the following string handling function is used to compare two strings? So the answer is strcmp. Next one. Which of the following is the postfix notation? Very easy question. AB plus. So based on the position of the operator, we will decide what kind of notation it is. Next one. Int a is equal to 7, int b is equal to 2, int c is equal to a by b. C is equal to a by b means 7 by 2. Here 7 and 2 both are integers. So in our C language, integer by integer always gives integer. So it will be only 3. Answer is 3. Next question. Which of the following function call is a call by reference? The other name for call by reference is call by address. So whenever we are calling a function and we are sending the addresses, then it is called as call by reference or call by address. So the answer is this one. Variables that are automatically created when the function begins and automatically destroyed when the function ends. So what kind of variables these are? Automatic variables. This is a storage classes topic. Okay. If y is equal to 12.3456, then what will be printed for this printf statement? So this 7 is the field width. So take like this 7 blanks. This minus indicates left justified. Left justified. That means printing will begin from here. And 0.2 here indicates, here 2 indicates precision. That means after point only 2 digits has to be printed. So first of all, this 1 2 will be printed, 1 2, and here we will get the decimal point, and after point only 2 decimal digits will be printed, that is 3 and 4. So the answer is this one. If x is equal to this expression, what is the value of x? First of all, take the expression, substitute the values. We all know that multiplication, division and modulus are having higher priority when compared to plus and minus. So these operators are applied first. Here we have one division as well as one multiplication. Among these two, which one we have to apply first? For this, we have to follow the rule of associativity. So for these operators, it is from left to right. So that means first of all we have to apply the division operator. So we get 9 minus 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. Next apply this multiplication. We get like this. The final answer is 10. So the answer is 10. Next question. Int star p is equal to int star crlog of 4 comma 10. Considering that the request is successful, how many bytes are allocated? So here 4 is the number of blocks and here 10 is number of bytes in each block. So how many bytes are allocated? That is 4 into 10, that is equal to 40. So the answer is 40. So that's it. Thank you for watching.